How to recover deleted videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here you can see different options, so just scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of send feedback. So tap on it. As you tap on send feedback, here it gives us the option to send feedback to YouTube. So simply tap on get started. Now here you just have to describe your issue. Now what you simply need to do is that you have deleted certain videos and you'd want to recover it. You just have to explain why you deleted it or how it got deleted and why it's important for you to get it back. And you can also mention your username and your email ID to get your deleted videos back. So you can just submit this and the team might contact you within some working days. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.